Today's topic is what does action and reaction means. Consider this is an object. The force that is exerted on this object is called the action force, and the force which acts in opposite direction of the action force is called the reaction force. That means this way. When you are standing on the floor, your weight is acting downwards, is called the action force. And the floor also pushes you upward with a force equal to your weight, is called the reaction force.
Why does the boat moves in opposite direction if someone jumps to the shore from boat? Have you ever noticed that when we jump from boats to shore, the boat moves in opposite direction? The answer again, the action reaction. When the person jumps, the person pushes the boat backwards as per the rule of action reaction. As there is very little friction on water to keep the boat in its position, the boat accelerated due to force applied by the person.
Thanks a lot for watching, and to subscribe my channel. Okay. And press the bell icon to get the newly uploaded videos.